Hi, I'm Christy Spencer, interior designer and DIYer. Wouldn't it be nice if building the perfect room was this easy? In the digital world of video, we can make it come to life right before your eyes. But in the real world, if you've ever tiled a bathroom wall or installed flooring, you know just how difficult it can be to do it yourself. All that measuring, cutting, and messy grout work, we often just leave it to the pros. But I'm excited to tell you about this wonderful product that makes any install absolutely DIY friendly. It's called DumaWall, and it goes up entirely with the simplicity of glue. It really is amazing. Made of rigid PVC, so it's completely waterproof and perfect for wet areas like baths, kitchens, and even basements. DumaWall also features an easy-to-use interlocking tongue and groove edge design that perfectly resembles real grout lines. And you know what that means. No more dirty or crumbling grout to have to deal with later. DumaWall's larger size tiles cover more area faster and pretty much eliminate demolition. You can glue it right over almost any surface. This includes drywall, existing tile, even wallpaper. Or easily nail or staple it straight to the studs. Oh, and it's a breeze to cut to size. If you've ever cut tile, you know how great a feature this is. There are no specialty saws or tools needed. So I know what you're thinking. Yeah, but what does it look like up close? Well, all I can say is this isn't your granddad's PVC. DumaWall has an amazing array of beautiful styles. Look at these incredible finishes. And it's really durable, scratch resistant, and has a 10-year warranty. Beautiful, easy to install, and long lasting. What's not to like? Rethink how you renovate with DumaWall.